Is the MelonLoader Installer App Module DLL missing error hurting your performance? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your gaming stack. Before the technical guide for MelonLoader Installer App Module, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the MelonLoader Installer App Module, the core execution library for the MelonLoader installer. It manages the localized verification of game assemblies and the injection of C# mods into Unity-based games. Because it performs process-level hijacking, it is almost always deleted by Windows Defender as a false positive. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Unlike Windows core files, MelonLoader Installer App Module DLL belongs to the specialized MelonLoader Team environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered MelonLoader Installer App Module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Manual intervention with MelonLoader Installer App Module DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for MelonLoader Installer App Module. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for MelonLoader Installer App Module and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.